Hey guys, today we are in Golf Mark 7 with DSG gearbox, and this is the same gearbox that is used in the GTI, and this is TDI car. This is DQ250, I believe, wet clutch gearbox, and it should have launch control feature, so it will prepare your car to be launched as quick as possible. So there are two things that you need to do to use this feature. First is put your gearbox into sport, and the second thing is the turn off your traction control. If those two conditions are met, the launch procedure is available for you. So right now, when I just put it into drive and press the brake pedal and acceleration pedal, you can feel that the car wants to go. Same thing if I'm in sport. Car wants to go immediately. But if you go into car, setup, and turn off the ASR, car is not driving off, it's just preparing to be launched. Over here we can check what's the boost build up before we launch it. I'm not going to launch it right now because I would crash into this old Clio right there, but we can check what's the boost, and then we will compare it to the standard boost if we just want to keep those RPM without the launch procedure. Okay, so it's about 0.4 bar when the launch procedure is active, and right now I'm going to turn it off, put it into park, and just rev it. .3 of a bar. Okay, so the procedure is simple. It's just turn the traction control off, put your gearbox into sport, press the brake as hard as you can, floor your acceleration pedal, and when you are ready, just release the brake and your car will launch. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this simple tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and check my other tutorials about Golf Mark 7 and other cars, and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.